Oh, hi guys. I'm just kidding. I'm not actually getting married. This ring is too loose on my finger. I'm not getting married, you guys. I actually attended my friend's wedding like weeks ago, and I was doing her makeup, and this really inspired me to do a wedding makeup because there's so many weddings out there now. It's kind of like a trend. I don't know why. I was on Facebook and everyone's getting married. Everyone's having babies. Everyone's getting a house. Like everyone, it's a trend. It's a trend. I don't know why. I don't know why. So this is actually my second attempt on making this video because my last video I was editing it and it didn't make any sense. I didn't make any sense. So hopefully you guys actually understand this video. Hello, my name is Jency V, and if you don't know me, now you do. So today we're gonna be doing some smoky and sweet look. There will be 2 makeup looks, so keep watching. Most likely if you are gonna be doing your makeup for your wedding or any events, you can always do this yourself without paying anybody. So keep practicing, you can do it. Let's go. Okay, with my fluffy brush like this, make sure it's damp because it's more pigmented, that I noticed when your brush is damp, and it blends a little bit more, all of that shebang. So we're gonna do a very smoky eye. So the colors I'm gonna be using, white or silver, some gray and black. Okay, so remember I have hooded eyes, so when I open my eyes like this, part of my eyelid is covered. I'm gonna have a little trick for those who have hooded eyes. So first I'm gonna start with gray, and what I'm gonna do, from the line of my eyelid right here, I go a little bit above it and I make a line from here to here, and then I go up. So I kind of make a little curve going up. Just make a line going from here to my nose right there. So it looks like a line, right? Then I go up to my eyebrow. And you just blend. Make sure you don't have solid lines just like this. Make sure you're always constantly blending. Just like that. And then with this same brush, I'm gonna dip this into black eyeshadow. I want something smoky without fire, but we want to look fire at the end, okay? So that's our goal. So right there. So the leftover from my brush, I'm gonna use that down below. Now grabbing my old concealer. See, it's almost out. It's almost out. So here's my line, and above it, make a half circle, just like that. And then with a different brush, I'm gonna blend that in. It looks crappy. We are not done yet, so let's put some white eyeshadow. And with our old brush like this, we are going to, since it still have a little bit of color right there, we are gonna blend sideways. Blend it a little bit with my shimmery glitter silver. Is like this. It's old. I'm gonna use my finger. You don't have to. Actually, I'm gonna use a brush. Okay, I'm gonna use a brush. I'll change my mind. I'm gonna tap that right in the middle. Okay, this takes forever. I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna dab, 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 dab away. Tap some white eyeshadow. And I put that right below my eyebrow, just a little bit. Make sure you blend it by dabbing. I'm using liquid eyeliner because it works very well for me. And if you have the same lid as I do, try making your eyeliner really thin. I always make my wing really thin at first to kind of outline how I want it, and then I make it thicker later. So now I'm gonna add another wing below this wing that I already have. But since this is your wedding day or some important day, I would not put any eyeliner down there because you're gonna be crying a lot if you're a crier like me. Because you know, I was feeling it. I was feeling it for her. So now I'm gonna put some lashes. Hello, where's the lashes? So I would use waterproof adhesive glue for your lashes because you're gonna be crying. So just let it dry. Let it dry. Hello, hello. You want to cover up the glue of the lashes. The Sky High mascara. Yeah! By the way, when you take this off, you really have to scrub. Like a lot. Even with the makeup remover, you really have to scrub a lot. It works really good. And it also makes your lashes really long and long lasting. Get like a white shimmery eyeshadow. Grab a little brush like this, and so on your inner corners of your eyes, put the white eyeshadow right there to kind of make your eyes look open and bigger. And now I look more wide awake. Make sure you have your setting spray. Hello, I think this is the best setting spray out there. I mean, it dries a little bit slower, but it lasts all day. Okay, shake it up. And spray all over your face. Grab an extra sponge, and so do a smile, and with all the creases right here, your smile and the top, you kind of want to blend that in, not too much, okay? So with me, I like to blend that in. So when I'm smiling, it doesn't like leave a line of makeup underneath my smile or up here. So if I'm like upset, I'm making faces like this or like this or like this, all the lines in your face, you kind of want to just blend it in after your setting spray, okay? Here's my first smoky look, and that's a complete. Let's go the second look. Can you guess what's my next look?